How to change Fiverr profile picture and bio. First of all, open your browser and make sure you are logged into your Fiverr account. Then click on your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen and select Profile from the drop-down menu. Once the page loads, you will find a link that says For your freelancer profile, click here. Click on it and you will be taken to your profile page. To change your profile picture, hover over your current photo and click on the camera icon. Upload a clear, professional image that represents you. Make sure your face is clearly visible with good lighting and a simple background. Next, to update your bio, scroll down to the About section and click on Edit Details. Enter your tagline and description, a short professional introduction about yourself, your skills, and the services you offer. Highlight why clients should work with you and make it engaging. Once done, click Save to update your profile. After updating both your profile picture and bio, your Fiverr profile will look more professional and appealing to potential clients. Now you know how to change your Fiverr profile picture and bio. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more freelancing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.